Hello everyone, I am Vidhi and welcome to my channel Molding Minds. There is a lot of buzz about being an introvert or an extrovert. For the longest period of time, people will tell you that you are one or the other. But what if you fluctuate between the two? Do you think that people tell you that you are a big personality? Do you feel that you are outspoken? Or you like to spend your time alone reading books and listening to music? Actually, you can be both. You like to mix up with people a lot and you like to be alone also for some period of time. You can be a perfect mixture of both these qualities. Like many people, I don't fit into either of the categories. So today I'm going to talk about a third kind of personality which is called ambiverts.
Extroverts are those people who gain energy by placing themselves in social situations. They don't mind being under the spotlight. However, spending too much time alone drains them mentally. They can talk about anything with anyone. Meeting people doesn't haze them. On the other hand, introverts recharge by spending time alone. After a long period of time in crowded social situations, they need a desperate break to regain their energy back. They use their eyes and ears more than their mouth. They don't like small talks and prefer standing away from spotlight. The third personality surprisingly constitutes of most of the population is an ambivert. Ambiverts recharge and regain their energy through a mixture of social interaction and alone time. They don't mind attention but prefer standing at the sidelines. They are fine with talking to new people but prefer old friends.
Now after knowing the traits of all three categories of personalities, you will feel that what is the difference? I know all these things already. So how these things are going to help you? So the truth is actually these traits are going to help you to understand yourself in a better way and make your social life much better than whatever it is right now. First, let us talk about introverts. Introverts are usually mistaken as very shy person who lacks interpersonal skills. But do not pressurize yourself to become an extrovert because being an introvert you have a positive trait of thinking deeply. Whatever kind of relationships you are going to develop are authentic and they help you and they are fruitful in a long run.
Introverts like to be with people who are very close to them. They are very much self-aware and do not speak without thinking.
At the same time, do not criticize extroverts for being continuously obnoxious and annoying with you. Actually, it is their trait to try to reach out to everyone, talk to everyone, be with everyone. So they do not want you to be alone. So don't get irritated by them. Just protect yourself some alone time for yourself. Now let's talk about extroverts. Probably others think that you hog in every time to take the limelight because you are insecure about others. But do not make others' thoughts restrict your way. Always be open the way you are, share your feelings, be with everyone to talk it out and have a very jolly environment around you. But always keep in mind that introverts need their own space. So always remember when to become a comforter or else your empathy can backfire also.
Extroverts make decisions quickly. They are easily distracted and outgoing and they are excellent communicators.
Now let's talk about the third category which is ambiverts. Are you even confused that you belong to the category of extroverts or introverts? Believe it or not, most of us are ambiverts. But the good part is that we are more flexible than others because we are in between the spectrum of being extrovert or an introvert. Being an ambivert, you are comfortable being with others in a group also and you also like to spend some time alone which is a quality time for you. This flexibility even helps you to become more emotionally stable. You know that when to speak up and when to shut up. You become more intuitive by being in the middle of the spectrum. So friends, wherever you stand in the spectrum of extroversion and introversion, just be your true self and embrace the changes around you.
Ambiverts enjoy the best of both the worlds. They are good listeners as well as communicator. They have ability to regulate their behavior.
So friends, I hope today's video helped you to find out that you belong to which category. You are an extrovert, introvert or an ambivert. To know more about such interesting topics, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you like today's video. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.